this is Tails, and today we'll be reacting to Five Nights at Freddy's 4 trailer. Knuckles told me to watch this because he saw Chavo react to it. He was scared stiff. So Knuckles wanted me to watch this and see how scared I am. So I haven't really played the game yet, and I haven't watched the trailer, so we're gonna watch it. You guys. Okay, here goes nothing. Nothing there. Okay. I don't know what I'm playing. I don't know. Okay. There's nothing there. Oh, what the heck was that? I saw ice. Close the doors. Closet. Oh, God. Watch your back. Okay. Okay, that's scary. Oh, God. Five Nights at Freddy's 4. Okay. Okay. Oh my God, that was so scary. Anyways, bye guys. Hope to see you again in more react videos. And now, if you'll excuse me, I'm gonna tell Knuckles that I quit. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye guys.